7 actions to increase your web service profit. There are lots of ways to bring your earnings to the next level, and all of it depends on just a little work that you can take anytime. So what do you require to do something about it for your online organization venture? Here are a few ways you can create a greater stream of earnings through your own internet marketing. Release an e-zine. Have you begun publishing your own e-zines yet? E-zines are a newsletter that you send every few days for your subscribers so that they can read and acquire detailed from. E-zines can likewise help you enhance your relationship between you and your subscribers, offer your products, and promote any affiliate program. As many gurus have actually pointed out, the gold's in the list. Release reviews. Testimonials can greatly increase your sales as it works like a proof that the product you offer works. Nobody wishes to purchase scrap. People are hesitant with anything that includes cash. So clear off the doubt in your visitors and show them the proof. Review from your clients, which will greatly increase trust and eventually results in profit. Compose short articles. When is the last time you have composed posts to be published in post directory sites? These articles you've composed and submitted will be seen by thousands and thousands of people. And often, if your articles are excellent, they'll be used by released on sites. In this manner, you can drive tons and lots of traffic to your website without expenses at all. And every visitor are prospective buyers. Tracking your market. It is necessary that you track your advertising. If you have actually involved in pay-per-click advertising like Google AdWords or Overture, you can clear off the ineffective keywords and just bid on more lucrative keywords that brings you earnings. Use a guarantee. This is extremely crucial. 70% of individuals who sees no assurance will leave the sales page just because they are not convinced. If your team delivers well, why won't you offer a warranty? You must make your visitors trust. Just then will they be comfy in investing their cash for your item. Promote your own affiliate program. Carry out the plan whenever you have the chance to do so. Many times individuals will not have the desire to take action up until they are asked to do so. Attempt to stress the advantages over and over once again about associating your products. Supply sufficient tools and you'll be receiving a whole lot more in your profits. Publish an affiliate newsletter. As soon as you have actually gotten your affiliates, you can't let them do it all by themselves. Supply them an affiliate newsletter, share affiliate suggestions and methods with them so that they can successfully promote your item. Make sure you grab hold of it right now and execute them right away to multiply your revenues. if you have not included these actions in your online organization endeavor. 70% of people who see no guarantee will leave the sales page just since they are not persuaded. If your item delivers well, you will not offer a warranty. Whenever you have the opportunity to do so, execute the plan. Lots of times, individuals will not have the urge to take action till they are asked to do so. As I've said, try to highlight the benefits over and over again. Affiliate your product, provide sufficient tools, and you'll be getting a whole lot more in your revenues. I hope this short video has helped you a bit to realize how to go about getting more customers and more revenue. If you want more, I've got a YouTube channel. It's got over 360 videos on it, mostly about making money from home and earning online. The channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. One more time for that, it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. So I said they're all about making money. Now there's another one while I'm on it that I like to talk about, and it's called Spin Rewriter. If you have just started on the internet, it's a wonderful program. I've used it for years, but I got offered a lifetime membership. It was $195 or $197. I joined it straight away, and it's the best thing I ever did, because now instead of me searching the internet for different news I can give you all and pointers, I just put keywords now into a section in my lifetime Spin Rewriter program, and they send me 50 scripts every month that I can use, the same as this video is now. They're there ready. They got the keywords in it, they got everything I need in it. I don't have to search anymore. Saves a lot of time. And one more while we're at it, it's called Desktop Lightning. Now this website is so viral. In a week I received over 100 sign-ups, and my network is already 5 levels deep. It's a wonderful program. I'll put up the necessary links so you can have a look. But please, whilst I'm at things, do your research properly. Use Google, put in the name of the program or affiliate program you're after chasing and starting. They come up with loads and loads of pages about that program. Look down through it, find out what sort of commissions they pay, what sort of help they have with advertising for their goods, find out how often they pay, how others get their money, how others feel about the company. It will all be there. That is Google. Myself, I use YouTube for making inquiries, as they give you a running commentary with pictures. You don't have to read everything, just watch the YouTube video, but also you have to put in how to make money from home, how to start an online business, things like that, straight into YouTube. That is good. Make sure you do your research. Right, now underneath my video there are lots of links. All links are programs I've used in the past and still use some of them today. Also there are tools that I'm using all the time under there. If you happen to like anything and go in and join or purchase tools, I will get paid a small commission. So please research, search the channels, have a look at my YouTube channel, there's plenty there, and also please click the like button and subscribe, as this helps me so much so. This is Ian Jackson wishing you all the very best with your online search and online venture. Hope to see you again soon. Cheerio.